at the American Association of Stem Cell Physicians, and we have Dr. Ocampo here. I know you have a lot of experience working with different technologies, different hair transplant.
The issue here is the cost, and then how much are you in control of these procedures.
Dr. Livermore, we're here at this amazing center here, the Stem Cell Conference. What would you tell our doctors looking to get into the hair transplant business, especially with like a robotic hair transplant technology?
I would say now is the perfect time to get involved with it because finally it's an easy procedure with the new technology that you're bringing into the country.
Anyone who's seriously looking to get into this business, this is no better machine. It is much faster, easier to use, no popping out, no flooding out, no 0% transection rates. You're able to see beneath the skin, and on top of all that, it's less expensive. Plus, our competitors, they charge you because their machines are so difficult to use that you must use their technicians.
The problem is that a lot of times when you train technicians, you need to be sure that the outcome is going to be what you want and the patient expects.
So we have Nicole Renzulli here.
We have a training facility to make sure that all the technicians are trained to their highest ability, so the doctor can be assured and know that they are getting the absolute best procedure, being able to guarantee results to our patients.
See, we only have a certain amount of time in our office, and so we try to put in procedures that are going to give us the best ROI and also that are the most unique in the community.
You have the follicular unit transplant, or FUT, otherwise known as the strip method. Then we have the FUE, follicular unit extraction. The big problem with the FUE is this loss of graft viability.
And if the equipment has been designed in a way that the survival of the follicles is less than 40 or 50%, then it's not too good.
This machine solves that problem. So we have a 0% transection rate. And you've been through deep training with the president of the International Society of Hair Transplant Surgeons multiple times. When you're speaking to doctors or potential doctors, what would you say to them regarding their peace of mind, knowing that they're going to have a quality machine with consistent clinical results?
For doctors, that's really important because this technology is actually the easiest to use on the entire market. And on top of that, it's extremely easy to learn as well as do the procedure 2 times faster than any other piece of technology.
What would you tell somebody looking at this particular machine, looking at this business in general?
Do it. It's a great time because this equipment has made it so easy to implement and bring into the office. We can gross more income than a plastic surgeon using these procedures, so that's really exciting for us.
So I'm here with Dr. Burnett at the Stem Cell Physicians Conference. What was it about this machine that intrigued your brain?
So I'm looking at return on investment, truly. So if we would get $12,000, $16,000 per patient coming in, and I can guarantee that the hair that we do take is implanted somewhere approaching 80% good. If we can get to 100%, it's fabulous.
Number one, we have technology where we have specialized cameras as well as lighting that you can see beneath the skin. If you were able to see beneath the skin, you can manipulate your hand to do it the right way. And I know you also looked at the other technologies on the market, why you feel most comfortable with this particular piece of equipment.
This is about 1/3 the cost of anything else out there. You guys do not take overrides for us. We can have our own technicians. We don't have to use outside technicians.
The handpiece that we use it makes it so easy to the point where we can literally do it with our eyes closed. We usually do the entire procedure in about 4 hours. Such a high demand for hair transplant for men and even women for their eyebrows. What's also so amazing is that the doctors don't actually have to do the procedure themselves.
You appreciated the fact that the other equipment, they have the high loss of viable grafts.
Oh yeah, I mean, you're talking about 50% loss of viable grafts with the other technology, and here we're not hardly losing any of those grafts, so it just makes the procedure so much faster and easier. You could pretty much grow a whole head of hair. I mean, it is just outstanding, the results we get with this.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to be here at the first International Congress on Stem Cells by the American Association of Stem Cell Physicians.
As you think about anti-aging and the things that you can practically do to live longer, as you consider the world of anti-aging and the practical concepts that you can take away from this right here, right now. When you put your mind into the right place, you'll know that you can create, you can choose your mindset and feel it in your body. So make it truly a connection of mind, body, and spirit. This is something that we can all do. This is what I do, and I know it's very effective. Call me. Again, the number is 212-518-8484. I am Dr. Mike Renzulli, and honored and privileged to be able to help you. This is what our purpose and passion is. I want you to join us. I look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.